A very good morning. We have a whole lot lined up for you. You're watching ADTV 24/7. I'm Divya Vadwa. Let's get you the headlines. But before that, of course, what all will we be covering this morning? Well, from the AQI in Delhi, that's improved, and which is why the GRAP 4 and GRAP 3 measures that have been revoked, and the new government as far as Maharashtra is concerned, portfolio distribution coming up next as far as Maharashtra is concerned. And of course, it's Allu Arjun, the actor who has been booked. That and a whole lot more. Let's get you the headlines. And it is, in fact, Allu Arjun who has been booked in the case. This is the stampede that took place that resulted in the death of a woman in that stampede at the premiere of his film Pushpa 2 in Hyderabad. And Maharashtra has a new chief minister. We're talking about Devendra Fadnavis, and he's gone on to say from 2019 to the middle of 2022, we saw a lot of changes. We hope that there are no more similar shocks in the future, taking a direct jibe at the opposition Maha Vikas Aghadi. He's also going to be discussing the portfolio distribution, and that's going to be coming up next. And it is day 10 of the Parliament session. This is the winter session of the Parliament, and it's Congress versus the BJP's showdown over distribution. And the AQI that has eased out as far as the Delhi, pollution levels are concerned. We're talking about GRAP 4 and GRAP 3 measures have been revoked by the Supreme Court. But in order to ensure that there's improved air quality, the Supreme Court has ensured that GRAP 1 and GRAP 2 measures are in place, which basically means mechanized sweeping of roads, using of anti-smog guns, and sprinkling of water daily in order to tackle dust. And in France, Prime Minister Macron has said that he's going to be naming the new Prime Minister very soon in order to prevent France from sliding deeper into a political turmoil, rejecting growing pressure from the opposition to resign.